What is CoinDesk? CoinDesk is a venture production studio and the leading technology firm in blockchain globally. We deliver products, solutions and platforms built using blockchain technology to transform how business is done in complex network of buyers, suppliers and consumers. Our teams are busy at work building the future of identity, financial markets, commerce, the music industry, security, and infrastructure, and more. To accomplish this, we've built out a flat organizational structure which we call the CoinDesk Mesh, a network of individuals. Our mission is to use these decentralized solutions to fundamentally reshape the economic, social, and political operating systems of the planet. If you are someone that thrives in a fast-paced environment where being self-directed, determined, and resilient are a requirement, we would love for you to join us. What is Liquality? Liquality is the translation engine of value. An open-source value discovery, matching, and exchange protocol for the creation of robust, interconnected peer-to-peer value networks that lead to fluidity of value without intermediation. We're starting by building a component library for developers to easily build cross-blockchain functionality into their applications, and utilizing these components to build the first truly disintermediated swap network. Our vision is to expand the right for peers to freely transact regardless of geography, class, or other divides as foundational to participating in digital economies in order to create a more fair, open and equitable society. We believe that everything we build should be completely accessible, absolutely equal, built through community, use disintermediation as enabler, radically transparent, independent, neutral, reflexive and user-driven. Contract to hire position. Responsibilities develop experience flows, wireframes and varying levels of fidelity prototypes to effectively communicate interaction and design ideas, research and design interaction patterns for the blockchain ecosystem across various blockchains, and translate them into requirements for reusable wallet primitive components, collaborate with the rest of the product team to understand business use cases, develop components and the application that demonstrates their use, demonstrate product vision and use data in experimentation to provide product direction, actively give and solicit feedback from others in order to continually raise the bar for quality, participate in design team-wide initiatives such as recruiting, developing design principles, and improving design tools requirements, UX, UI designer delivering engaging experiences for 5 years for a diverse audience in agile teams, preferably software, app development experience using and designing frameworks and components, pattern libraries and style guides, leadership skills and an ability to develop strong partnerships with product managers and engineers, passion to deliver simple solutions to problems that relate to the innovative nature of this ecosystem, excellent communication skills to articulate design decisions to stakeholders across a technical spectrum, and publish your learnings, desire to work in a company that strives to operate with minimal hierarchy based on self-directed work that produces value without hand-holding, bonus points, experience working as part of a remote team, participation in the cryptocurrency and blockchain community, experience building financial applications, experience with open source software, demonstrated interest in social impact. You enjoy some amount of ambiguity and freedom to experiment. Here are some of the perks of being part of a unique organization like CoinDesk, the forefront of a revolution. At CoinDesk, we fundamentally believe that a next generation of technologies presents the opportunity to create a more just and equitable society. A dynamic startup environment. CoinDesk is a thought leader in the blockchain space and we are absorbing a significant portion of the mind share. This is both exciting and challenging, as we learn to scale our organization while adhering to the principles of decentralization. Continuous learning. You'll be constantly exposed to new languages, frameworks and ideas from your peers and as you work on different projects, challenging you to stay at the top of your game. Deep technical challenges. This entire ecosystem is about 10 years old. Ethereum itself is still a toddler. There is much work to be done before these platforms can scale to the order of millions or billions of users. CoinDesk is building the technology platforms that can get us to those next thresholds of scale. Click here for the latest updates from CoinDesk.